Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat at welcome po sa isang special Labor Day edition ng the stock market today. Labor Day in the Philippines is May 1, Sunday, but I'm releasing this video on April 30. Special po ang ating edition dahil I'll be featuring a question posed by a subscriber, si Mary Tootles. Now, this question was asked on November 24, 2021, and I answered it the following day, November 25. And I'm featuring this question because it's one of the more challenging questions I have encountered in my career as a YouTuber. Now, Mary's question was, how much stocks do I need to purchase in order to have a good return and live comfortably? Now, at the time the question was asked, I had no idea kung sino si Mary Tootles. But I recently found out that she is none other than my cousin. Mary, now this episode is specially dedicated to you. Okay? So just like what I've said earlier, Mary's question was challenging, so I was careful with my answer. Kasi my reply borders on giving financial advice and wealth management in relation to the stock market. At alam po ninyo, hindi naman po ako financial advisor. So I was treading on that thin ground. So I'd like to share with you the excerpt of the November 25 episode, and this is how I answered Mary's question. Before I proceed with market status, may I just read some of the comments of the subscribers here. Okay, Marie Tootles, sabi niya, how much stocks do I need to purchase in order to have a good return and live comfortably? Naku, Marie, hindi po ako financial advisor, no? I think you'll have to go to a financial advisor. So you have to go to a bank. Example lang po ito, no? I would recommend a bank na merong trust department. And dun sa trust department, meron po silang financial advisors. O kaya dun sa inyong broker, no? But they are not actually financial advisors. Much better kung pupunta po kayo sa banko and go to their trust department, ask for an account officer or financial advisor. Pero ano po sila? Mamahusay po sila dyan. But just to answer your question and just to give you an idea, example lang po ito, no? How much stocks do I need to purchase? Medyo broad po. But first, kasi the first thing that you should do is to have a goal. Diba? Kailangan may goal po kayo para to live comfortably. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng live comfortably? Kailangan i-monetize nyo po yan. Yan ba ay 100,000 pesos a month? Yan ba ay 50,000 pesos a month? Yan ba ay 10,000 pesos a month? You have to define what is comfortable in money terms. Okay? Yan po ang first step. Ngayon, I made a rough example here. May I put that up? Okay, nakikita mo na ba yan? Example lang po ito, no? Just to give you an idea. But you'll have to go to a financial advisor, ha? So, for example, actually, maganda yung tanong ni George Kwang kanina, no? How much dividend should ano yung magandang dividend earning stocks? Example, si DMC. Yan po yung number 1, earns dividends of 96 centavos per year based on 2021 information, ha? And magkano ba si DMC ngayon? Tingnan nga natin. How much is DMC now? Yan, it closed at 7 pesos and 70 centavos. Ang dividend yield po niya is 12.47%. Paano ko po nakuha yung dividend yield? You just divide 96 centavos, the total dividends earned, over 770, the price per share. You get 12.47%, and that is for the year. Example lang po ko 96. Ngayon po, since the tax for dividends is just 10%, you remove the effect of the tax. You multiply this by 0.9 or 90%, you get 11.22%. That is net of tax. That is the dividend yield net of tax. Ngayon, for example, going back to my question, how much is comfortable? Say, for example, you need to earn 30,000 a month, or you need to live comfortably by having an income of 30,000 a month when you retire. Example lang po ito. It can be 50, it can be 100, but for illustration purposes, halimbawa na lang po 30,000 a month. How many DMC shares should I buy? Of course, ang pinapractice po natin dito is to diversify, but just to simplify. And example lang na isang stock lang po ang bibili ninyo. I chose DMC, the top dividend earning stock in 2020. So how many DMC shares should I buy? Now, since you know that your goal per month is 30,000, the goal per year, you multiply it by 12, you get 360. Yan po yung dapat kitain ni DMC. Now, how much investment should I buy if the price is 770? You know your goal for the year, which is 360. Divide that amount by 11.22%, which is the net dividend yield, and you get 3,208,333. That is how much investment, how much amount that you have to buy DMC. Okay, yan yung amount of investment na po sa DMC. And for instance, the price per share at the time of purchase is 770. You will have to buy a total amount of 416,666.67 shares, or roughly 417,000 shares of DMC. And since you know that the dividend yield is roughly 11.22 a year, that would earn you 360,000 pesos a year, or about 30,000 pesos a month. Mas malaki po yung goal niyo, mas malaki pong investment ang ilalagay niyo po dyan. Okay po? Did I answer your question? Of course, again, you'll have to consult a financial advisor. Licensed financial advisor. Hindi po ako ganon. Okay po? So, go to a trust department of a bank for further information. For illustration purposes lang po sa akin, or for educational purposes. Okay? I hope I answered your question. Yan, salamat po. I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa episode na ito. Marami pong salamat. Mari, keep on answering those questions. Kung maganda po ang inyong tanong, i-feature po natin ito sa ating episodes ng The Stock Market Today. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Happy Labor Day, stay safe, God bless. Bye for now.